Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hopefully this one is not boring as shit because I feel like the last two vlogs, boring as shit. I did some errands with David this morning and you're very low because I feel like the angle that I normally do, like, it accentuates everything. My hair is a mess, my roots look insane, and I'm probably going to have roots for a very important thing that's going to be happening in the next couple weeks, and I'm really irritated about it, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll be fine. Actually, no, let me backtrack. So this weekend is not Memorial Day weekend. It's the weekend before that I don't know when the you're watching this. It is supposed to be 100 degrees today and tomorrow. That's what they're predicting. Right now, 77. Smack a big fail. We're here. Tomorrow, my mom wants to take the cover off the pool and get the pool started for the summer. So David and I are going to go over there and help her with that. I'm going to tan because if it's going to be tan safely, but I tan with sunscreen and I also use a tanning accelerator and I mix it together. So therefore I am safe. Again, fun fact, back in the day in high school, I never used sunscreen. Growing up, never used sunscreen. I never burned. I was always fine. Now that I am older, yeah, I burn every time. If I don't wear sunscreen, every time, and it's awful. You guys know I bought like a whole bunch of new bikinis this year, particularly, there we go. I'm very excited for this one. This is from Walmart. She's gonna be a high waist queen whether she likes it or not. So tonight, shaving everything, exfoliating, the whole 9 yards. Here's the top, and I don't know if Walmart still has this. $9.98, and I think, yeah, the bottom was also $9.98. That's the bikini I'm going to be wearing to tan. And I really plan on finish reading my You Are a Badass book. Shout out to Roya who made me start reading it. And I haven't since I left my last job. I want to finish it, so I might do that and listen to music and whatever. I dug out my old beach bag. This is the beach bag that I decided to use last year. Every year I like to redo my beach bag. Like I like to put new, like obviously sunscreen, tanning accelerator, whatever, just new stuff in here because things that have been in here for a year and have been sitting in the closet for a year. So I already did put one thing in here because I got this from FabFitFun. It was on sale. I got like 2 of them. The bug bite thing, which went viral. I think I am one of the many people in the world. Mosquitoes are just attracted to us. They just love to bite us. So I think I have that special blood that people were saying. I'm gonna try this Carmex watermelon lip balms, brand new, never used it. Definitely want to get a lip balm with SPF this year. Good ones that actually have SPF in them, let me know, because my lips always get so sunburned and I don't mean for that to happen. It just kind of does. I didn't even get to use this. This is an after sun lotion. You always need these, always. Probably gonna go because they've been in here for like ever. Before I go out in the sun or before I go to the beach or something. So like if I'm out, all of a sudden I'm gonna go to my mom's to the pool, I'll just use one of these. Ladies, these are like the older ones. I used to use these, to use Kotex brand. I don't anymore, but these are just in here for emergency. This is from when we went on vacation. I'll hold this up for you guys. Bald Pate Mountain. Highly recommend for a hiking spot, which I've taken an Instagram picture here. Immaculate. Handy dandy aloe vera. This is the one from the dollar store. I mean, any aloe will do, but I have like 4 of them in my fridge. They're so much better when they're cold. I'm in the fridge, but I always keep one on me as well, just in case, because you never know. Really old. Ew. This has like stuff on it, so I'll put a new one in there. Separate bag. I had this like all organized last year. I have a sanitizer spray from Bath and Body Works and some wet ones. COVID. These masks floating around in here. I'm probably gonna put them in a bag. Wet bikini bag I still have from Victoria's Secret. It just says beach on it. Face sunscreen bar. That's kind of annoying, but I love getting the coolest sunscreen. Is literally my favorite. This and the Neutrogena one. I do use the copper tone one, as you guys know, but I've been trying to use like a better alternative, clearly. So I'll have to go to TJ Maxx and see what they have. This is like normally like, ew. Did you hear that? Fox Tan Tanning Accelerator, the Rapid Bronzing Balm. I've tried. It smells really good. I discovered I don't like using the balm. I'd rather use the watermelon spray, which I bought. Oh, it's here. Babe, something's going down here. There was literally a fire truck in the parking lot going around in a circle. Something going down. You guys can see over there. Something going down right as I'm vlogging, but anyway, I knew that sounded like extra close. It's in my beach bag right now, so I'm gonna fix it and I'll show you guys when it's done. That whole like situation outside with the fire truck is gone. I don't know what that was. I rearranged some things and investigated some things, and this is what we are looking like. Is it excessive? Maybe. Aloe, my face sunscreen. I put this copper tone glow with shimmer. I got it clearly on clearance. Watermelon shimmer. Fox Tan Tanning Accelerator, like I just said. The balm, just like I tried it, not a fan, but I got the watermelon one. This one has shimmer in it, obviously smells like watermelon. If you don't like lotion, rubbing in like sunscreen or like whatever, still gonna have my wet bag in here because usually I put like extra like underwear or shorts or whatever where I put it in here so it doesn't get like all sandy or gross. My little Lisa Frank bag, you guys have probably seen her before. 2 face masks, the wet ones. I still have the makeup wipes in here because they're still moist and good. iPhone cord, so if I want to shove my external battery in here, I probably could. I don't know if I want to do that though necessarily, like if I'm going to take my bag to the beach. I mean, I probably should anyway, and I'll just like wrap it in like a towel. That's how I like try to keep things cool, fun fact. When it comes to like my phone or anything that can easily overheat, like I'll wrap it in like a towel or wrap it in my towel so it just doesn't conduct as much like UV and everything from the sun. That's what I got so far. I am taking out things because Liptus Mint hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works just because expires. Oh, this expires in July. So Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Lotion. This I didn't even use at all. So I'm gonna put back in my lip balm collection because I need to find a lip balm with SPF. So look how old this bottle is, you guys. This is from high school. She's still here. She's still kicking. Oh my gosh, I should put a different one in there. I think I might put Sol de Janeiro in there. So I'll put a new body spray in there for like afterwards or whatever, because sometimes, you know, after the beach or whatever, David and I like to go out to dinner. If I'm with Danielle, we like to stop somewhere, like whatever. That's my beach bag. Thanks for coming along with me on that, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Today, it's really already been such a fucking morning and it's only not even 9:30 yet. David and I got up at like 8 this morning and then rushed out of the house to go to my mom's because David's supposed to help her with the pool today, and obviously I'm in a bikini, so I want to put some sunscreen and lay out in the yard and bake and read my book and listen to my music and all that good stuff. David's getting gas. We just got air in the tire. Literally forgot my phone this morning. Had to go all the way back for it. It was a great time. And I didn't have a phone for 20 minutes, and that was fun. He's not feeling great. Okay, we're gonna go now. Good morning again, guys. The world is good. Everything is happy. And this is the same weather we had last year for Memorial Day. But anyway, here are my lashes. They look really crazy. I feel good. My hair is wild. It's humid, so it's no surprise. Who texted me? Someone texted me. My mother. So Lucille brought in a chipmunk, and it's half and hiding it by the TV. You know how I could tell that was those in that? Also, David finessed, and we had...
I did not finesse. They screwed up. That is number 7613. 7613.
So you took the wrong one?
No.
So basically, David ordered it twice. David ordered his coffee, and they made it twice. So this one is what? A large with just 10 hazelnut shots, and then that one is large 10 hazelnut shots, 7 cream, 7 sugar. Yes, I'm aware of my husband's health. That's not. And then I got a medium butter pecan with oat milk, which is so good. Like, I get that oat milk. That sound. Stop the sound. Stop it right now. Stop that sound. That was, I hate that sound too.
I can't help it.
That was awful. Plastic scraping on the inside of the car.
Okay, could you at least turn the car on because it's 90 degrees in here?
It's actually not 90, but like, be drama. Do you want to go to the mall and eat?
Yeah, we'll eat in the mall parking lot.
All right, here we go. We eat in parking lots because I have anxiety. So I'm sorry I ruined that for you, David dear.
All right, let's get going. Get off the phone. No phone while driving.
I'm not driving. Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday. I have like failed so badly in this vlog. It's not even funny as usual. I'm trying to get better though. I did film like an outfit of the day for what I wore yesterday when I went out for brunch, but I noticed that one of my boobs was way bigger than the other, and it like concerned me. And I was like, I'm not posting that. Although it's all good, like I don't have like any issue or anything, but that was like an insecurity that started to come up, like not last summer but the summer before, and like every once in a while, like I'll just have like an insecurity about my boobs for some reason now, which is great. I guess that's just life with BD, and it's great. I've also like realized that I feel like I am, maybe I don't look like it, but I feel like it. I feel like I've gained a lot of weight when I was off for just over a month, and I know that sounds like ridiculous and weird, but I'm trying to just eat healthier now and eat better, because I think I just kind of let myself go that whole month, and I was like, whatever, I don't care, I'm off me. I'm trying to get back into like my smoothies and salads and just eating like a lot of fruit and balanced, it's kind of sort of balanced meals with like protein and started spiraling yesterday. I have a headache today. I had a sore throat last night, which was really concerning for me because I was like, I swear to God, if I have COVID, I'm gonna cry. So far, so good. Again, I'm driving, so yay, live that for me. I drove all day yesterday, but like, let's make me drive more. Kind of where we're at right now. I don't mean to be so like somber. I'm just kind of, I just got really down yesterday, and I'm still kind of down now. And I'm trying to not let like other people and things ruin my mood anymore. That's like one of my things that like happens a lot. Like I let people like trigger me because, and then it makes me feel like I'm not good enough, I'm inadequate, I'm stupid, this is why I don't have friends, this is why I don't have this, why I don't do that, blah blah blah. I'm over it, so I'm trying to not let that bother me. David and I were planning on going to the beach, but decided not to because it is only, what is it, 67 out right now, and guaranteed probably be colder there, and I didn't get as warm in the morning as we would have liked. I burped, I'm sorry. There's another one. It wasn't getting as warm in the morning as we both would have liked, so we just decided we weren't gonna go, and we're just gonna save it for another time. Possibly gonna go to my mom's for Memorial Day, my mom's, and it'll be nice and warm so I can just tan, and that's all I really wanna do. I know it's bad for you, but that's all I really want to do. And here comes David. Here he comes, just trucking along. So that's what we're doing today. Hi guys, why am I on the floor, you may ask? What am I doing? What did I get all over the floor? I'll update you. Wanted to repaint my press-ons, so they're China Glaze Flip Flop Fantasy. I think it's like the only real nail polish I own now, and I accidentally apparently did not close the bottle when I went to pick it up by the brush, and the whole thing all over. And it is, not only did I get it all over the floor, which I mean I pretty much got it all up. I've been using nail polish remover to get it up, so I mean if someone in the comments gonna be like, oh my god, don't do that, too late, I already did it. Can only go up from here, I guess. But there's just a couple spots now, and one of my not very good rags, so I don't really care. This is like covered in polish now. The important thing to me was that I got it all over the damn carpet. So happy Memorial Day weekend, everyone. This is what I'm doing today. I love this for me. But it really is coming up though, so there's just like a couple spots that you can see, but I'm just gonna take my Bissell green machine to it after with all over my brand new Juicy Couture shorts that I bought from Burlington like a month ago. Oh, and it's all over my chair, so let me just wipe that off my chair because it's soaked in polish. There we go. I got it all up, so it's pretty much all gone. That's horrifying, and it's all on my thighs. Flip-flop fantasy colored. You guys see that? I'm so angry. Like, I'm more so angry at myself because like really, like I always make sure I close it before I do that, and I did not. On here as well, and then try to throw it and blotch it and throw it in the wash because I don't know what else to do. Well, these shorts are ruined.
I'll get them clean.
Nail polish remover on it to try and get it
So I could use a brush on that.
on my shorts.
Why not?
Throw them like immediately in the wash.
Don't worry about it. I'll fix it.
Why? And it's on my underwear, but I don't really care much about that. So we're gonna try and get this more clean. I mean, I got most of the polish out of the carpet anyway. There's a couple spots that I'm probably gonna have to go over again, but I mean, I got most of it out, so that's a positive. So we're gonna, and David cannot with the smell. Neither can I. Hey guys, so update. David used the green machine it's my green machine. Also, Wanda. Quite a while for like an hour, not an hour, probably like about like half hour, 40 minutes. And literally this nail polish is gone, stains are gone. Very good purchase, very good investment there. But I ended up cutting up a watermelon. I bought a whole watermelon at Aldi's today, so I cut the whole thing. I hate cutting watermelon because I feel like I don't have like the right knife to do it or something, or I'm just doing it not right. I'm just doing it the way that I think I should do it, but I don't know. I'm gonna lay here and watch some videos. I haven't worked out in like almost a month, and that's not good. So I'm gonna start working out this week. I even told David and Nate, I'm like, don't let me, like when I come home from work, don't let me just sit around, make me go like get on the treadmill for 30 minutes or something. I feel like I get a more intense workout when I listen to music, but also I like to watch my videos. That's what I was doing for a while. So I have that woman's workout app, so I might do that too. 7 minutes a day, like you can't go wrong. But that means I also have to eat better, not eat so much crap, because I just noticed like a lot of stuff that I eat that's like crap, my stomach is just like, no, like absolutely not. I feel like I get anxiety, like say that when you eat like bad food that has like certain oils in it or something, or certain like ingredients. It like gives you anxiety, makes your heart beat really fast. It's like that. Like I get that quite a bit now, and I don't want that. So hi guys, happy Monday. Today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. I am going through this. Probably wondering, Sam, what the actual just my Poshmark stuff that I was selling, and then I kind of went through, obviously you guys know, David helped me go through a lot of my clothes, either that was going to go to Plato's or donation. Kind of just weary about Plato's right now. I don't know, I'm gonna try in the next couple weeks to just go, but I keep forgetting about it. So hopefully maybe the week that I'm off of work, I'll go down there. I want to try and get rid of as much shit as possible, because again, I don't know what David and I are doing come when our lease is up. I don't know if we're moving or if we're winging it or what we're doing. I really don't want to wing it though, so I'm gonna try and get him to get a move on that in the next like month or so, figure out where we're gonna live. We're still gonna be able to live here, we don't even know. Yeah, I've kind of let this get out of control because I obviously like did like my cleaning out videos, and you guys have seen some stuff on Poshmark already. Check out my Poshmark down below in my ZEZAM. I think that's the one I'm currently using right now. Company reached out to me, it was like, hey, do you want to try it, do you want to try it, you want to try it? And they were like pretty persistent about it, so I was like, all right, I'll try it, and I do like it. So it is linked down in the description down below in my ZEZAM, my Poshmark. If you use my code, oh my god, it's SamX3, I think you get $10 on your account when you sign up through me, that you can use on anything you purchase on the site. With that being said, that is what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of going through what I'm going to actually donate and what I'm actually going to sell, because I do have like jackets. I don't think anyone wants like one